If you need to replace your LCD screen on your iPhone 6, I would highly recommend to order a complete full assembly of your LCD. I ordered this one for about $42 off eBay. A black LCD that comes with um, earpiece, uh, front camera, back plate, and home button. Now, understand that this home button will not work with your fingerprint, so be aware of that. Or you can switch it out with your original home button, and it will save you a lot of time because all you have to do, I know there are a lot of videos that telling you in details how to do this, component by component. It takes a lot of time. I did that in the past, but if you order, spend, I don't think the cost is that much different, but spend a little bit more and get, again, this is not the seller claim is OEM, I guess is for $40 is not probably the same as Apple, original screen. But I replaced one of these on the other iPhone that it seems to work for the last few months. It seems to be working okay. But anyway, order the full assembly that come with, like I say, earpiece, front camera, and home button here. Then, as you can see here, there's some cables here. That's all you need to do is just disconnect the old screen, the 4 cables, and then connect the 4 cables here, and it should take you that long to do it. But if you do it like the one they show in the video the long way, that would take you a lot of time to disassemble all of these little pieces and put back your original. So this will save you a lot of time, which would be the easiest way to replace your screen. So order a full assembly. I show you a little bit more of my update. I'm going to be replacing one of my kids' iPhone probably today. So already hope that helps to save your time and hassle. I know it's not easy to do it, especially disassemble the earpiece, and the front camera part is very difficult to do. Well, for most of us, because the parts are so small. Alrighty then. Hope it helps. Here's the phone that I need to replace. The screen badly broken. So basically, my theory is to remove the screen and remove the cables, and then put the new screen and connect the cables, and that should be it. It should take me more like 5 minutes. I'll start. This new screen here. Has all of the components right there. Earpiece, speaker, front camera. So, and the cables here, 4 cables, so it should be fairly easy to do right now. I just removed the original LCD. There are a lot of videos that show you how to do it. Basically, I just removed this part there. Now I'm gonna put this back. Put the new screen in. Now I'm just testing, just turn on the phone. Gonna test on the functions before I close the lid. I'm putting this plate back, and the 5 screw, and I'm pretty much done. And I just need to put in the pentalobe screw there. I'm using a magnetic mat, little mat here, to hold my screws together. Very easy. Actually, the whole process took me maybe like 10 minutes or less. I have a little bit struggling with the putting this back a little bit, but you know, over here the tape, the cable, the ribbon cables back a little bit. But other than that, it's pretty easy. I don't have to mess around with the home button, the front camera, or the earpiece over here. Everything worked perfectly after testing. Well, have fun. Order the full assembly next time. You have to deal with the complexity of little pieces, okay? Here's a new screen. Everything works. Front camera, here you go. Front camera working here. It didn't work before, so this is a new camera. That camera, of course, worked. And I checked the earpiece, speaker, everything is working as supposed to be. The home button, of course, worked like that. I have to remove this assist home here button here. Remove that. Very successful. Again, took me about, I have to say, it took me about 10 minutes for the whole process, really, with no difficulty. Just one of the ribbon cable kind of hard to get in, but other than that, it's straightforward. I love this. Just order the full assembly, okay?